We purchased this toolkit for my daughter going off to college. It's rubberized, sturdy, 12 by 6 by 3 inches wide, easy to carry. It's sturdy but shockingly lightweight for a 126-piece set. I went off to school with a hammer and 2 screwdrivers from the Dollar Tree and wanted my daughter to have something more sturdy that she could last her lifetime. It does have these locking mechanisms to keep everything nice and secure, but opens easily with one hand. Love that everything stays in place so well. By far my favorite component are these 30-piece screwdriver bits that slide out of these rubberized holders and snap in magnetically to the screwdriver head. Here are a bunch of star-based bits. Also, you have flat and Phillips head screws of various shapes and sizes. Some of them are quite tiny, which is quite helpful. And you do have these square bit types as well. 30 in all that you can pop in and out of this magnetic steel screwdriver with a rubberized texturized handle. The screw bit hold container at the end, making it quite easy to switch between Phillips, flathead, star, anything that you need. And as you can hear, that magnet does have a nice grip, a nice hold. I had no issues whatsoever when I was using those for adjusting things. I do like it also has this extension unit as well. It has the same shape of an insert. So if you need a longer screwdriver of any type, you can just use the extension mount. Super helpful for those hard to reach spaces. When you're done, slide them right back into the holder and everything goes right back into the gray box for storage. None of the pieces get loose like they do in other bit storage methods I had in the past. In addition to that super handy screwdriver, it does snap right back in. Here's the extension going back in. You can kind of hear those clicks. They stay nice and secure. They do take a little force to get in, but I do love that because I can count on them being there. These are the tiniest little screwdrivers I've ever seen. I can't even get this thing to focus on it. It is so small, but they are 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Love there are a variety of just basic nails, screws, and sheetrock supports for, again, your basic apartment needs and getting started. It does go a certain way with all of these, so if it doesn't slide in the first time, just switch it the other way. You can see the little insert notch there. I do love this 6-inch slip plier. I actually installed an entire kitchen faucet with this thing, so it was quite durable. That steel and the rubberized handle had no issue there. I was just too lazy to walk into the basement to get my tools, so I gave this a good go, and it worked fantastic. In addition to that, we do have the entire hex key set ranging from 1/16 to 1/4. Love that there is the box cutter. I feel like every time I'm doing something or installing a new package, I need to get either the plastic ties loose or something holding them down. Also easy for boxes, etc. That nature. Again, if it doesn't go in right the first way, just switch it the other way and it should snap nice and securely into place. Got your scissors with a little bit of that grating, nice hammer, an 8-inch claw size, and love that this is integrated. It is a 10-foot measuring tape. It does have both inches and the centimeters, meters, things of that nature, as well as the locking mechanism and the clip to go on pants wherever you need it. Super convenient just to have that. It is so nice just to grab this and go. When I install the sink, I use so many of these, the pliers, the screwdrivers, the measurements, etc. And when you're done, you just lock it and snap it back in place. Can easily store it or take it wherever you need to go. So handy. Again, I installed a whole sink with this, so it's so convenient. I actually might buy one for myself. Hope that helps.